Okay, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre Black Digital, and we're here with another video today. And we're going to be talking about Systeme.io. We're going to go a full review of Systeme.io, and we're also going to do a comparison of Systeme.io versus Clickfunnels. So, first, we're going to dive into the dashboards of these platforms, and then from there, we're going to go on to the pricing. But before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that I will leave the link in the description for both of the softwares of whichever one you want to try out. And then we're going to go from there. So stay to the end. So first, we're taking a look at Systeme.io's platform and their dashboard. And as you can see, it's pretty plain compared to ClickFunnels. There's not much going on this dashboard. So let's take a look at ClickFunnels dashboard. And as you can see on ClickFunnels dashboard, they have a bunch of stuff on here from the next steps in your setup to your favorite funnels, your funnel sales, calendar, your affiliate sales, follow-up funnel stats, and a lot more stuff like that. But when we look at Systeme.io's dashboard, we only can see our new leads that we got in, and then from there, we can only see our sales as well. So as you already see that there's a big difference on how they look and what information they provide without you having to search for it. So the next thing I want to compare really is the funnel builder itself and see how the funnel templates match up from Systeme.io to ClickFunnels. So we're going to start from there and then let's take a dive into that. Okay, so let's go ahead, click on create funnel. And then what I'm going to do is just pull up one of their templates and then go from there. So let's just go and select the first one and select preview. And as you can see, this is just a basic template of their landing pages that they have. And this specific landing page or sales funnel is to capture emails. And to me, it looks really, really good. I would definitely use this and I would just edit it up a little bit, but go from there. But I also want to take a look at the actual editor itself and compare the functionality of the editor on Systeme.io compared to ClickFunnels. So already I'm having a little bit of trouble just getting there to edit the page, but we're going to go ahead and still um, figure this out and get it going. Okay, so simply we're just going to go over and click on edit page. And then once we go to edit page, it's going to open up that same funnel that we saw. So what I'm going to do before I get into this is open up a ClickFunnels template and compare to editors as well. So we're going to go ahead and select the template. And for this one, what I'm going to do is go ahead and select this template and we're going to compare the editors and the functionality of both to see which is better. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click on edit page inside of ClickFunnels to open up the funnel builder. And as you can see, this is going to be the funnel template that I'm going to use. I'm not going to create any funnels or anything, but we're just going to compare. So this one is a little bit of shorter. It doesn't have as much information, but that all just depends on what template you pick. But compared to the Systeme.io funnel, I feel like the Systeme.io funnel is a lot cleaner. It's a lot better looking, and I feel like this will convert good if you put the right information on here and if you put the right pictures and stuff. But compared to ClickFunnels, as you can see, it's pretty much the same as far as like clicking and editing. As you can see, it highlights in orange. So you can drag and drop. So that's pretty much there, but there's nothing open as far as like elements and stuff like that. But if we go over to the Systeme.io, they already populate this open, even though some people might not like it, but you can simply just click it and it'll close it. But basically how this looks without that bar open is how ClickFunnels has theirs. So I would say Systeme.io is a better choice as far as the editor, because as you can see, it's easy to add text and headline. Once you click it, it's pretty much there. You can add images, video, audio, and different columns and forms and stuff to this landing page from Systeme.io. So they definitely make it pretty much more easier for you to go in and edit this funnel. But let's look at ClickFunnels one more time. To do the same thing, let's say to add text to this, you would have to go to like elements and then add an element, and then it opens up the like the text box and stuff like that, and the pictures and forms. So I would say it's Systeme.io is definitely more beginner friendly, and ClickFunnels is more for advanced users, people who are already used funnel builders in the past and stuff like that. So the next thing we're going to go into is going to be the pricing difference, and the pricing and what you get is what separates these two way differently. And you're going to be surprised if you stay and watch till the end. You'll be surprised by this pricing and what's offered in Systeme.io's plan versus ClickFunnels. So let's dive into pricing. Okay, so we're on the pricing page for Systeme.io, and as you can see, they have four different plans that you can choose from, and you can choose a billing period from being charged monthly, or you can be charged on a yearly annual basis. But as you can see, they have a free option. So you can you literally use this funnel builder without paying any money. So now let's go ahead and look at ClickFunnels pricing. ClickFunnels only have three pricing options, and you have monthly, but you also have annually as well. But it's obviously cheaper if you choose annually. But as you can see, it starts off at $97 a month. So for somebody just coming into online businesses or creating sales funnels, that can be a lot of money to get started when you can choose Systeme.io and you can literally start a free plan and get access to a lot of stuff. And speaking of a lot of stuff, now let's dive into what you can get on the free plan compared to ClickFunnels' $100 plan. So with Systeme.io, you can get up to 1,000 contacts in your email list. You can build 3 sales funnels. You can also create a blog and blog posts. Systeme.io also allows you to have membership sites. They also allow you to have payment gateways such as Stripe and stuff like that. You can set up email automations and email campaigns, split testing, coding and coupons, and a lot more. They also, this is what is big with this program. They offer a affiliate program on the free plan. You can create your own affiliate program for whatever offer or product that you're promoting. And with ClickFunnels, I know that in order for you to have that, you have to have this platinum plan or better. So that is one big difference already. And the crazy part is, let's go ahead and compare ClickFunnels now. So with ClickFunnels, you do get more funnels. So you get up to 20 funnels that you can create. You get multiple users that you can like use if you have a team or anything, but they also have payment gateways. They have 3 different payment gateways that you can choose from, and then you have 3 different domains that you connect to your funnels. So you have 20 funnels you can create, but you only have 3 domains that you can connect to it. So I would say that's a downfall for ClickFunnels, because if I'm being allowed to create 20 different funnels, I would want to have 20 different domains instead of just having a ClickFunnels domain, which doesn't look professional at all. ClickFunnels has a follow-up funnel, but you don't get it on your $97 a month plan. You only get it on the platinum plan. Now let's go back to Systeme.io and let's look at the follow-up and see where it's at. So Systeme.io has automation rules and email campaigns, which is pretty much a follow-up process that you will use for the email and leads that you collect. So for the simple fact that Systeme.io offers this on their free plan, I would say Systeme.io is way better for your budget if you don't have any money to get started with a sales funnel or ClickFunnels or anything like that. But let's go back and look at ClickFunnels pricing again. They don't offer like weekly reviews or anything like that. They pretty much offer the bare minimum for their $100 a month plan. And let's go back to Systeme.io. As you can see, their plans start off at $27 a month. Their next plan is at $47 a month, and their most expensive plan is $97 a month. Compared to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels starts off at $97 a month. So even with your $27 a month plan, you get way more in than your free plan, but you also get way more than the ClickFunnels $97 a month plan. So if I was trying to decide between softwares in which I wanted to go to create some of my funnels for my business, I will obviously choose the $27 a month one, because I get offered way more benefits and different essential things that I would use for my business in this plan versus paying $100 a month and having very limited stuff to my plan. Like, they don't offer much. There's not a lot on this page explaining what I get compared to Systeme.io, and they go into depth and explain everything. And the crazy part is, like, you can offer you can create blogs on the free plan or the $27 a month plan. On ClickFunnels, you can't offer or create a blog until you have a purchase plan on the $97 a month plan. And basically, ClickFunnels version of this free plan is giving you a 14-day free trial. So after that 14 days, you will no longer have access to the ClickFunnels account unless you pay that money. And so if you're starting off and you don't have money to get started, or you have very little money to get started, this will definitely be the great option, because it starts off at no money at all and it goes all the way up to $100 a month. And the $100 a month offers you unlimited everything. So look, you can get unlimited email campaigns, unlimited blogs, unlimited membership sites, unlimited affiliate sites, unlimited contacts. Like, it's crazy what they offer. So I would say that if you were trying to choose between Systeme.io and ClickFunnels, Systeme.io is the new thing to go to. It is a new thing to go to, and it's a lot affordable for everything that they give you. So they just launched, and if you haven't heard of them or you're just looking to get started, I would definitely click the link in the bio and get started as soon as possible. Even if you start off on a free plan, get started as soon as possible, because I guarantee you, like, within a year from now or a couple months from now, the price is definitely going to go up, and you will see people coming from ClickFunnels to Systeme.io just because they get more value from Systeme.io. So that is my Systeme.io versus ClickFunnels and Systeme.io review. I want you guys to like and subscribe. And if you guys want to get started with either or, with ClickFunnels or Systeme.io, I will leave a link below in the description, and you can get started with Systeme.io for free. So go ahead and click that link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more in-depth videos. I will drop more videos on Systeme.io of how to create a sales funnel.